Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Bounce 2, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the silent mode on this watch. Basically how to mute and unmute the sounds on your watch. So first thing we need to do is to open the controls menu, and to do that press and hold the upper button. Keep holding it until the menu appears on the screen. Once the controls menu appears, find the speaker icon, this is the sound icon, and tap on it, and here we have this option called mute all. If you enable it, it will disable all of the sounds on your watch. And then you can press the lower button to go back to watch face. And if you want to disable the silent mode, enable all of the sounds, unmute them, open the controls menu again, tap on the speaker icon, tap on the switch next to mute all, it will change to off, and then you can go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the silent mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.